my channel. If you are new, my name is Savannah Liddell, and today's video we're going to be doing a little bit of glam. I'm going to use the Anastasia Riviera palette. So if you're interested in seeing how I got this look, stay tuned. If you are new to my channel, make sure that you hit the subscribe button, join the family, make sure you hit the bell, that way you never miss an upload from me. Give this video a big thumbs up, that way more people can see it, and go ahead and follow me on Instagram at Savannah Liddell. My earring just fell off. Yeah, let's get straight into the video because I will ramble and ramble and ramble. So it's Friday and I am so happy that I am off. I have just been going through it like mentally, like with my mental health. You guys know I did reveal that I have anxiety and sometimes depression, but mostly anxiety and stress, honestly. My stress levels have been so bad lately. I've been hearing so many people say that the Pond's moisturizing cream is really good. My friend Nadia always says it's good. Stress has been the biggest downfall for me lately. I don't know, it's just like little situations, things, people like have been stressing me out, and I don't need that.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
My skin is finally healing from that mask. If you didn't see that video, I'm gonna link it above right now. Check that video out. This is really moisturizing, by the way. So if you have dry skin, you would love this. I'm gonna use this Olay Eyes Ultimate Eye Cream and some dark circles. So we need this. We need all the moisture that we can get. Okay, so next for primer, I'm gonna use this Tatcha, the Silk Canvas Primer. This is a little mini version because I wasn't sure if I was gonna like it, but I actually really like it. And my cousin Jaleisha, she's into makeup too, and she always tells me, she's been telling me, she's like, you need to try Tatcha's skincare. She's like, it is amazing, it'll change your life. But you know, Tatcha is expensive. And you know, most of the time I don't really care about price. I just love beauty so much. I'm just like, yeah, put it all in the bag. But you know, here lately I've been trying to set some goals for myself financially, and your girl needs to be on a budget. I need to be on a budget, period. Everyone should be on a budget. So what I am gonna use is my handy dandy NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation. This is in the shade Cappuccino. I love this foundation. It is my favorite drugstore foundation. I'm just gonna use a beauty blender to put it on. Oh, did I tell you? Okay, I don't know if I told you guys what I used to clear up the acne that I got from that mask. I used Murad. I bought like a little kit. It was like a 30-day kit. It's the Murad Acne Control line. So this is the cleanser. In the line, it has the cleanser. It also has a spot treatment. It had a serum in it, and then also a mattifying SPF moisturizer, which, I mean, that stuff made your skin matte. Matte, matte, matte. I probably will use that moisturizer in the summer because I'm in Texas, and you know, girl, it gets hot as hell here. It be humid and hot, and all your makeup's gonna sweat off. But I feel like that stuff, I mean, it kind of made my skin feel dry, but I feel like in the summer with the heat, like that moisturizer would be good for that. I'm trying to see which concealer I want to use because I have a few options actually. It's nice to have options. So what I'm actually going to use today is I'm going to try this combination out. Last night I just filmed a full face of Kylie Cosmetics, so that video should already be out by now. So I'll link that above if you guys are interested in seeing that. So in the video, I realized that I got the wrong shade concealer. This is way too light for me. However, I did enjoy the coverage of it and then like some of the brightness it gave. So I think I'm gonna combine my Makeup Revolution concealer in the shade C13. I'm gonna do my normal routine, which I always start on the side of my nose to give my nose a natural little contour. I'm gonna take the Kylie concealer. And just go right over it for like a highlight boost. Boom, 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 boom. Because honestly, it gives a really nice coverage. I will bring it down the bridge of my nose. What are some new products that y'all have been loving? Tell me in the comments below. Like, I love trying new things. Okay, so now I'm gonna contour. I'm gonna use the Fenty Beauty Match Stick. This is in the shade Espresso. And I'm just gonna take just a little bit. Boop. And contour. I'm gonna put it a little bit down here because, child, we're a little chubby. Gotta give some definition to the face. I'm gonna use this Real Techniques brush to blend out this contour.
It's like, okay, like, wait, hold on, like, you don't have a lip. Give me these two. Like.
Next, I'm gonna go right over it with a beauty blender just to make sure that there's no harsh lines. Okay, now I'm gonna go back into this Makeup Revolution concealer and I'm gonna clean up that contour we just did. Right here. And I'm gonna highlight my Cupid's bow. Okay, so now that we're done with all that contouring, highlighting stuff, I'm gonna go ahead and bake. I know, crazy, right? I said I would never bake, but I found a new product that I love. I can't find it. And it's the Kylie Cosmetics. I just want like, it's the Kylie Cosmetics powder. Her new setting powder. Well, I was highly surprised. And it's in the shade Dark. And I baked with it last night. And I didn't have any issues, which, wow. I actually baked with it. It didn't leave a weird cast, which was amazing. So we're gonna bake with that today while we do our eyeshadow. Okay, so I don't even really know what eyeshadow look I'm gonna do, but I know I'm gonna use the Riviera palette and I know I'm gonna use that pink shade in it. I just feel like it's right. So let me zoom you guys in just a little bit. Just a little bit, not too much. You know, don't all up in my personal space. I'm gonna go into Monte Carlo, which is right here. I think this is my favorite brush, the Morphe M532 brush. I'm gonna put it right above my crease. I just wanted to dip into this before I go like straight into the pink. Okay, so now I'm gonna go into this really hot pink shade, which I'm excited to use. And I hate that it's like not showing up on camera. Like, y'all have seen this palette before. This is the shade Bahamas. It's so pretty. I'm gonna go right over the other shade we used. This is an e.l.f. brush. I don't even know what the name of this brush is because everything just rubbed off. It's like one of them dollar brushes. I'm gonna go in with a darker shade, which I think I'm gonna go into this purple shade called Canes. Deepen this area because I think I want to do like a halo eye. So I'm kind of just gonna go in here and just deepen it a little bit. I don't like that. I don't like that. Okay, I'm gonna go in with this Morphe M330 brush, and I'm gonna go into Cane's. And I think I'm gonna do a halo eye, so I'm gonna just kind of go around and try to make this a little bit deeper. Next, I'm gonna take this Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. This is in the shade medium, and I'm going to cut my crease. This is another little e.l.f. brush. Don't know the name of it, but it's this. Right here. I'm gonna look up. That's a little high. I'm going into this blue shade, this Urban Decay brush that comes in their palettes. So that's what I see, and again, I can't find none of my brushes. Oops. We're gonna go into this. And I'm gonna stick it right in the middle. Oh my gosh, do y'all hear my dog? She's going crazy. Ginger, calm down. I don't know how this is gonna look. Like, I'm just kind of doing whatever comes to mind. Hopefully it comes out cute. I'm gonna go back into Cane's, this purple shade, and just go like on the outsides of that blue to kind of create like a gradient effect, trying to, and make it not look so blockish. Don't you just love when you think you're recording and then you're not? So basically I just did all that off camera. I basically just deepened up the outer part of the eye. I went into the shade Palm, and then I went right back over it with Cane's because I feel like it just needed a little bit more dimension. And now I'm gonna go in with this glitter pigment from NYX. This is number 02 and it's called Rose. I've never used it, so gotta open it. I'm gonna experiment. I don't really know what I'm doing, but I have some glycerin and I have this pigment, and I'm gonna mix these two together, see if I can come up with some kind of thing that I can use as like a liner. I did a little mixture. I made a little mixture. I'm gonna use this Beach Cosmetics number 10 brush. I got this out of the Festival brush palette, not palette, the Festival brush set last summer. I'm just gonna use that, and I'm gonna go over the top. Do I wanna go everywhere with it? Or let's see. Should I go over all of it or just a little bit? I think I should go all the way. Okay, so I went ahead and did my eyeliner off camera, which my wings are not matching, but we're gonna move on. I'm gonna dust this powder off. Whatever's left. Today I'm gonna use the Anastasia powder bronzer in the shade Mahogany. It is broken, so can't hold it up too much. And I'm just gonna use this Sephora Pro brush. This contour brush I love. I feel like my face is looking a little bit powdery, so I'm gonna go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Beauty Set Spray. Alright, so now it's time for some blush. I'm going to use this blush called Desert Rose. It's from Note Cosmetics. This is what it looks like. Now for highlight, I'm going to use my Ride or Die highlight. This is the Anastasia Ambrisi highlight. I'm going to use my Morphe M510 brush to put this on. Nose. Underneath the brow bone. And then on my cupids. Okay, so for lips, I'm gonna go ahead and line my lips with this MAC Cosmetics lip liner in the shade Cork. Now I'm gonna go in with the Kylie Cosmetics High Gloss in the shade I'm the Catch. Alright guys, so I'm done with my full face. I actually went in with a different lash. I used the Ardell Wispy lashes that come in like the multi-pack. It was actually my last pair, but those are the lashes that I use. I really like how the look came out. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments below some other types of videos that you'd like to see me do. Make sure that you're subscribed, hit the bell for notifications, give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!